Everybody, welcome back to Disturb Kreationz Auto, and I got a really quick video for my Ranger fans. Now, I know these pieces of plastic are easy to break, and I don't know why Ranger did this, but they put the windshield wiper and the radiator as one connected piece. So if one breaks, you have to buy a unit that does both. So I'm going to show you how to get this out. It's really easy and just a quick fix so that you don't have to go to like some kind of shop or bring it to me and then I have to charge you for labor. This is something you can do on your own. Let's get right into it and get some work done. All right, so the first thing we're going to have to do is we have to remove the air box because there's a bolt under here that you can't get to. So the air box itself is not bolted down. What you're going to do is I took a pry bar and I pried it up and I removed the two tabs out of the rubber on the bottom, and then I pulled it this way and removed the two tabs. So let's just take it out and show you so that you don't break yours. So there's two tabs there and there's two rubbers that go in here, pieces of rubber. I took those out already like this. So those pieces will just slide out, but since I'm selling the box, I'm keeping all the rubbers. And then these are the rubbers on the bottom, and they go in those holes right there, and they connect with these pieces right here. So that's fairly easy just to get it out. Just be easy. Don't try to yank and crank and whatever, because this is a 98. So it's 20 years old. You don't want to break some of this plastic. This is why we're trying to fix this stuff. So take this out, and once you take this out, it will reveal the bolt underneath, which is an 11. Now on the sides here, you're going to have a bolt here, or a screw here and a screw here, and I pulled those out. They were 10s, they're fairly small. And then this, for some reason, was an 11, and it's on top here. So you have to remove that piece or you can't get to this. Now, I was having a problem with mine. I could not get this 11 out, but I think that Ford got smart with this because they made a slider pin underneath. I'm going to show you what that is. If you can't get one of these bolts out and you have all four of the other 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, and you can't get one of these out, I'm going to show you how to get it out without having to damage anything. Now underneath, you can see here, there's a piece here and a piece here. Now you see this? Let me show you. You see this head here that locks in? It has a slider where if you get one unlocked, you know, you can slide it over. Now I just pulled it over and I slid it out of the hole, so you see the bolt is still connected. It's damaged. We're gonna have to deal with that. Put some penetrating oil or something. That's easier to fix once it's out of the vehicle, so you don't break any of this plastic. Now the last things is what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to disconnect this long line from the radiator. Just kind of pull it off. If it has a worm clamp or something on it, just undo it and pull it off. And then you're going to have to undo this sensor right here that is the pump for the washing fluid. So I'm going to lift this up a little more so you can see that, because I was having difficulty taking it off. So I'm going to show you how to get that off now. Okay, so I got everything loose, and there is a line on this side. So remember, we did the line on this side that goes to the radiator, and there used to be a radiator here with a little hose, and then this is your overflow. So disconnect that, and then you're going to disconnect this little hose over here because that's going to run around and then go into your squirter, and then there's another bridged hose that goes into the squirter over there. Once you disconnect that, you're going to push down on the tab here and pull this sensor out, and then the entire box will come out. And now at this time, you can either change the box because the box is broken, cracked or something. You might be able to epoxy and fix this with some like plastic cement. I would try to fix it before you ever had to buy anything. I mean, it can't hurt, you know what I mean? If you already have it out, fix it, fill it with some water, just water, and then just set it down for a day and see if it's going to leak, or a couple of hours. And then at this time, you can also take your pump out here. If the pump is not working, everything works, but the pump, you can't get the pump out. You have to take the whole box out and remove it, and then you can pull this pump out. This pump, you see there's another little rubber piece right here. You can just pull this pump out like this. See, I'm pulling it out with one hand. So you just kind of lift it up a little bit and then grab it right here and wiggle it out. And then you're going to put the new one in and then go backwards all the steps. You're going to I would put the pump in. Then I would attach the line once I get it close, set everything in place, plug the wire in, put the two long bolts back in. So you see this is the slider one here. And then that was the one here. And that came out right there.
So if you guys are digging these really short, really to the point videos about Rangers instead of my other long explaining videos that I used to do, please leave me a comment down below and say, hey Damien, I love the new videos. I love short, sweet, straight to the point, get in, get out, let's do this. And then I know to start making videos like that. If you want to see a longer detailed video, then leave a comment like that as well. I might start putting out 2 videos. If I take the bumper out and I do a short one, and then I do another Ranger, maybe I'll do a longer video that way and put in detail step by step, and then quick videos for these. All right, guys. Love y'all. Hope you learned something. Build that confidence. Save that money. Subscribe to the channel. Give us a like. I'm doing a lot of hard work out here. It's all for free for you guys. I'm doing it anyway, so I love to teach. All right. Peace out.